Hey guys, for this video, I will show you how to connect Calendly to Webhooks. First, log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, head over to the left panel and click on Integrations and Apps. Now, search for Webhooks and select API and Webhooks. Keep in mind, this feature requires a Calendly Pro plan or higher. Here, you'll be able to access either a personal access token or an OAuth token, depending on how you want to authenticate your API request. These tokens let Calendly securely connect with other apps or services. You'll need one of them to set up your webhook connection. Next, you'll need to get your webhook URL. This is the endpoint where Calendly will send scheduling event data. After that, you can now click on Create Webhook Subscription and enter your webhook URL. And that's it. Your Calendly is now connected to webhooks and you're ready to automate your workflows in real time. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.